All right, so here is the scan. Scanning is drift in this area. You can see the bed more or less looks pretty good.
It is a beautiful snowy day. Kids actually have no school today because they call it a snow day, which is not really enough snow. I mean, whatever. I'm heading home for lunch, and while I'm having lunch, or while it's cooking, I'm going to scan the Jeep, and this time I'm going to use 3D scanner app, aptly named. All right, let's check it out. While the steak is cooking, I'm going to go scan the Jeep. All right, we're going to give this app a try. Today we are using, oops, not Scaniverse. The 3D scanner app. So here comes your time-lapse montage. Well, the scan is done. And we're going to go ahead and start a HD processing. And I'm going to go get my lunch because it's done cooking. Yum. So we're back in the office. Let's go ahead and check out how the app did scanning the Jeep.
All right, so here is the scan. And the one I did last time was Polycam. And this is definitely better than Polycam, but just it missed a lot of stuff. Given that I did as much detail as I took, and I took my time and moved slow, the first thing I see, and I kind of saw it when I was scanning, is a drift in this area. You can see the doors kind of doubled up right there. And then obviously it's just missing a bunch of like holes and everything. It didn't get the top. Luckily it didn't have any crazy drift in the top. Looks like there's a little bit right here, but I think that's part of the overall drift. And the good news is, like, the bed more or less looks pretty good, and that's the part that really matters to me as far as accuracy, is getting the bed accurate. And that actually doesn't look too bad when I go around. It's missing some stuff here and there, but the fact that it's got the drift, you know, it might be just to do a couple of passes, but for a first pass, you know, do 3D scanner versus doing Polycam, I'm definitely going to say that the 3D scanner app did a better job. But I think I'm still looking for something that's going to just be a little more accurate than this. So that was the 3D scanner app. The next one I'm going to do is going to be Scaniverse, and we'll see how that one does. It did a better job, I think, out of the 3 that I tested, and I got one other one I want to try, which is really meant for houses and like interior design. It's called Canvas, and I'm going to try that one probably last. Canvas is the only one that really talked about their accuracy and how accurate they were for measurements, which is something that it matters. None of the apps really tell you how accurate they are, and I know that will depend on phone or something like that, but at least they could say on certain phones that would be a benchmark. I mean, like an iPhone 14 Pro should be a pretty good benchmark to go with. So anyways, those are my thoughts. You know the drill. Work hard, play hard, be a big softie when you get home, and until I get home,